State and city leaders laid out their storm coverage plans this afternoon. Kaya Edwards joins us now with what they want people to know. Kaya?
The Minnesota Department of Public Safety, MnDOT, and other agencies, they're focusing on the main roads first, clearing those off, heavily used traffic areas. They're responding to crashes depending on the agency. And in the meantime, they say we can all do our part by staying off the roads and staying home. And while we are home, the state fire marshal is reminding everyone to keep flammable items a safe distance away from space heaters. They also said to clear off the snow in front of your doors and around fire hydrants. That way, first responders have an easy time accessing your home in case of an emergency. If you do have to travel, you're asked to pack an emergency road kit, have a full tank of gas, and tell someone where you're going, as well as letting them know once you've arrived to that spot, just for safety there. And if you do get into a crash, stay in your car.
It's kind of a combination of issues that give us some anxiety about this storm, but I think the message is still really simple. Just plan ahead, and if you have a chance to not tempt fate, this would be the time to not tempt fate.